Thanks for coming out early this morning. So you got a dumpster full of boards with cat piss on them. So, oh, okay.
Just for the remainder.
Yeah.
Next week, pulling out all the wire.
What's that? Oh, the electrician. Oh, okay. All right. You got the subfloor back in, huh? All right. Yeah. Wow. Coming along. So you still smell something, but you think that's all coming from out there?
I mean, it's going to be everywhere a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
But for sure, yeah, very strong.
Okay. So do you think are the ozone machines working, do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. Yeah, you can definitely smell it over here. Uh-huh. Alrighty. So so you guys have the subfloor and what's the next step over here?
Electricians are going to come through, take all this out.
Uh-huh.
Put a new panel down there and some temporary plugs. And then probably in a couple weeks we'll be back to frame the walls.
Okay.
Get some stuff ready.
Yeah. And so, I mean, how do we get rid of the rest of the smell?
That's what I just want to check with you guys if I can call
The restoration people?
restoration companies.
Yeah, I think it's perfect to have their, get their opinion on stuff.
I want to have Shane O'Neill come for the garage floor,
Yeah.
clean and seal.
He does restoration. Okay.
He's a floor guy. He's a flat work guy. But